So, good afternoon. Good afternoon. We are back again. Apologies for yesterday. I fell asleep. By the time I woke up, it was too late to drop a video. So that is why the third didn't go out, because I didn't record it earlier. But there will be three today. Big up to everybody who is watching these transfer videos. Make sure you are sticking a like on the video. Make sure you share the video around as well. I do appreciate that. And big up to everybody who is dropping in the donations using the thanks option, which is there. It's down there. If you would like to do that, feel free. If not, just smash a like on the video. But the news we've all been waiting for, the excitement could not be contained any longer. We had to tell the world that Mohamed Elneny has signed a new contract. Wow. Unbelievable, Jeff. This football club is well and truly dead and buried. It ain't coming back to the glory days. It ain't coming back to the top. And all the time, people are happy with signings like this. We're not going anywhere, are we? Let's be real. I'm going to read out what it says on Arsenal website. Midfielder Mohamed Elneny is extending his stay with us. Mo, 29, has been a key member of the squad since joining us from Basel in 2016. He's made 147 appearances, scoring 5 goals and getting to January 16, and was in the 16-17 FA Cup winning squad. He was also a part of the team that won the Community Shield. I don't know why this club love to hype up Community Shields, but there you go. In 2017 and 20, and helped us reach 2018-19 Europa League final in Baku. I love this club and I feel like part of this family, Mo told Arsenal media. I want to continue at this amazing club, amazing family, and I'm very happy and excited for the future. The most fraudulent manager in the Premier League has obviously chipped in and had his penny's worth. Mo is really important to the team. He brings endless energy and enthusiasm and commitment to the team and is loved by everyone. He's an important player for us on and off the pitch, a real role model to the younger players. I'm delighted he's staying. The most fraudulent technical director in world football, Edu, has had his penny's worth. Mo has an incredible mentality, which is so important for our squad. He helps the team as much as he can every day. We're all very happy to have him with us and look to build on what has been achieved this season. Wow. Can somebody leave it in the comment section and let me know what was achieved this season? Because I can't see it. I didn't see it. What have we achieved this season? I don't understand what this club is all about. Mohamed Elneny could not hide his delight at the signing a new contract with the Gunners and says he now wants to play the rest of his career at the club. Give me strength, for God's sake. The Egyptian midfielder showed his worth to the squad again at the end of the season and has been rewarded for his fine displays with a new deal, because that's what we do. You play 4 games in a row, you play all right for 4 of them. There's a new contract, my friend. Absolutely clapped football club. This football club is dead and buried, mate. Trust me. Having signed in 2016, he's one of the longest serving players at the club, and he tells us he's not ready for the love affair to end yet. I feel like when you play at one of the biggest teams in the world, you have an amazing family and fans. They are amazing as well. They make me feel special, he said after extending his contract on Wednesday. You feel like you are special for this club and the club is special for you. Everyone's special. Of course, I want to stay here and finish my career, actually. Unbelievable. It was voted man of the match in Sunday's win over Everton and finished the season by making 7 consecutive starts in centre of midfield. He said the positive conversation with Mikel Arteta at the end of the season helped him make his mind up and extend his stay. So there we go. There we go. That's all you need to know about this manager. I needed to hear what he was thinking about me. And I always say to him, Mikel, I really appreciate what you've done for me. Because with Mikel, I play more than I was before. I said to him, Mikel, if you say to me you want me to stay or you want me to leave, I'm going to do whatever you want. Then when we spoke about then the way he spoke about me was something that made me really emotional. Oh my days. It was really good for me to hear it from Mikel about the way I play, the way I'm happy with him and being positive. It's incredible for me to feel this from Mikel and the club and from Edu. I'm really happy. Now the Egyptian, oh my God, let me start again. Now the only Egyptian to represent Arsenal first team is looking forward to the future. When I speak to my family, I always say Arsenal deserve to be at the top, always. This is what's always in my head. I need to put Arsenal in the highest point because that's what we deserve. The way we train, the staff you see at Arsenal, it's the same mentality. Everybody needs to go to Champions League. Everybody needs to win the league. This is what we need. And this is what I love from Mikel. And he pushes us all the time. Of course, I need to be part of this project to win the league, to go to the Champions League. Why not? Because we deserve it. We're one of the biggest clubs in the world. Well, we don't act like one of the biggest clubs in the world, do we? We actually act like Barnet, which is an absolute scandal. Because no disrespect to Elneny, because listen, he ain't a great player, and I don't dislike Elneny, if I'm honest. I actually rate him for not complicating the game like Granit Xhaka does. He gets the ball, he keeps it simple, he ticks it over. He's not good enough, to get us to a title. He's been here 6 years, and what have we done in 6 years? So what's going to change in the next year? I don't understand. I don't understand why people are happy with this. Oh, but he'll be a good squad player. He'll be a good squad player. I don't want squad players. I want proper players. Yeah, proper players. Yeah, go and have a look at Man City's bench. Oh, but Lee, they spend billions, oil money. Go and have a look at Liverpool or Chelsea's bench, and then look at our bench. I do not want squad players. I want proper players to come into this football club, and all be fighting. Not just sitting there happy to be here, because that's what it sounds like. He's happy to be here. Oh, I can't thank Mikel enough. No, of course, because you'd be playing for Fenerbahce otherwise, mate. Yeah, let's be real with it. Yeah, you wouldn't be playing for another big club in England, that's for sure. Yeah, you'd be going over to Turkey or to back to Switzerland or somewhere. I don't know, but you wouldn't be playing for another massive football club, that's for sure. So I don't really understand what this club's about, if I'm honest. It's gone downhill rapidly, isn't it? And this manager has been a massive part of that. Eddie will be next, won't he? I genuinely can't stand this club. I genuinely can't stand it. And the thing that pisses me off with it is there's so many people that want to sit and call the owners out. Well, where were you all season then? Oh yeah, I forgot. You were all singing that silly song, weren't you? We're on our way to Champions League. Then when we didn't get Champions League, you all want to blame the owners. How can I read you lot like a book? You do it every year. That's why. Every year. As soon as everything goes bad, oh, let's blame the owners. No, let's blame the fans for accepting this, for allowing this to happen, for allowing players like Elneny to get new deals, for allowing players to walk out of this club for free. Yeah, for allowing Eddie Nketiah to be offered a new deal. And he's thinking about it. He needs to sort his life out, and the fans need to sort their lives out, because this is Arsenal, third biggest club in the country, and we've got Eddie Nketiah deciding whether he wants to stay. Who even are you, mate? Jesus Christ, this club is rotten. These fans have absolutely ruined this football club. They've absolutely ruined this football club because the standards are on the all-time low. I've never seen this club like it. This is not why we smashed the stadium down to sign Mohamed Elneny up to a new contract, to offer Eddie Nketiah a new contract. It is an absolute disgrace. And every single one of you that's been singing that stupid song, every single one of you that's been backing this project, process, buzzword, whatever you want to call it, every single one of you are an issue. Every single one of you. Because you have all colluded together to lower the standards of this football club by allowing them to give Arteta a new contract, to give Elneny a new contract, to offer Eddie a new contract. These people are not good enough for this football club. So the quicker you lot all raise your standards, you might actually raise Arsenal standards. But until then, we're going to keep signing up dead crap footballers. So it's what it is, isn't it? I hope you're all happy with yourselves. Congratulations. Well done. Have a round of applause. Make up a silly song from Mohamed Elneny. Sing that next season. Fantastic. Absolute disgrace. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go and enjoy some sunshine and chill, because I don't like talking about this football club at times because it winds me up. So I'm going to go and relax, top up my tan game strong. Leave your comments down below about Elneny. If you'd like to drop a donation in, feel free. Just hit the thanks option that's next to the share button, and make sure you are sticking a like on the video and sharing it around. That'll be absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. And it's what it is, isn't it? Another day, another shambolic piece of news coming out of this dead and buried football club. I'll be back later with 2 more videos.